All right, you seen the title in the thumbnail, and you know every now and then we gotta go back to the basics with those wings, and we're gonna put a twist on it. I'm gonna show you guys how to make a spicy lemon lime pepper wings or chicken wings. Y'all ready? Get in the kitchen, let's go. All right, let's go over the ingredients today. Back here we have our wings, we have some butter, flour, cornstarch, hot sauce here. We have lemon and lime pepper here in this dish, lemon and lime pepper in that dish right here. We have lemon and lime juice here, lemon and lime zest here, smoked paprika in both of these dishes, garlic powder, seasoned salt, yellow mustard, and we have some more hot sauce here. So that's all we're gonna need. Let's get into it. All right, to get started, we're gonna prepare our wings. We're gonna add our hot sauce here, our yellow mustard, garlic powder, and smoked paprika. We're gonna go in with our hands and get this mixed up. All right, we're gonna sit this aside while we prepare our flour. All right, so we're gonna bring over, a clean bowl. We're gonna add our flour, cornstarch, seasoned salt, lemon and lime pepper, smoked paprika, and we're gonna give that a quick mix like this. And guys, remember, you can adjust your seasoning any way you like. I typically taste my flour before I actually do anything, just to make sure that it's seasoned the way I want it. All right? So now that our flour is done, we're gonna start the breading process. All right, guys, so we're gonna start beginning the breading process. I already did 2 over here. All you do is you wanna take one of your wings, drop it in our flour like this. I like to press down on it, make sure that flour sticks. This helps it get really crispy. We're gonna shake that baby off like this. This is what we have. We're gonna lay it right here and let it rest. I'm gonna do one more. Add to the batter or the flour, press it on here like that. Shake it off like this, set it on the resting rack like that. All right, I'm gonna do the rest of them and we're gonna come back. So now that we have all our chicken breaded, we're gonna let them sit here for about 10 minutes while we head over to our stove to prepare our sauce. This just helps it and allows that chicken to get extra crispy as that flour settles in, all right? So let's move over now to our stove. So now we're at our stove, we're gonna melt our butter. We're gonna follow that up with our hot sauce. Next, we're gonna add our lemon juice, lemon lime seasoning, and our lemon lime zest. We're gonna get that a mix like this. We're gonna go ahead and get that incorporated really good. Once you get that incorporated, you wanna turn your heat off. And typically what I like to do, guys, is I like to put mine or take mine over to the blender, let it blend, because typically what happens is that butter and that hot sauce kind of separates. Once you blend it all together, it makes it a little bit more smoother, a little bit more creamier than when you pour it on your wings. The butter kind of separates from the sauce, all right? Either way you want to do it, you can do it the way you do it, but this is the way I do it, all right? I'm going to do that. I'm not going to show you that. We're going to head over to our oil because it's heating up to 350 degrees. All right, so now we're at our oil and it's up to temperature. We're going to start dropping our chicken. And we're gonna cook these babies in batches for about 7 to 10 minutes. It all depends on how big your wings are, but we already know once they start floating to the top, you're good to go. All right, guys, so it looks like we're good with our chicken. We're gonna go ahead and get this baby removed. Guys, take a look at that. Drop this here on a resting rack, and we're gonna go back in with we're gonna let the heat come back up to temperature, and we're gonna go back in with the remaining of our chicken. All right, so we're finishing up our last batch here. We're gonna add them over here to our warming rack. Now let's head over to our cutting board and continue. All right, so now our chicken is fried. Now all we're gonna do is gonna move that over or out the way. Bring in a bowl like this. We're gonna add our chicken. We're gonna take our sauce and we're going to drench that in our sauce like this. Man, that looks good, man. And then we're just gonna toss that baby up like this. Man, take a look at that. All right, so now we're gonna get this baby plated up. We'll go ahead to quality control, do a final taste test. And there you have it, guys. Spicy lemon lime pepper wings. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. You already know we about to jump into quality control so we can do a taste test. All right, so it's quality control time, guys. We're gonna bring this spicy lemon lime pepper wings, chicken wings, to the front of the congregation. Man, look at that. Look at that plate of goodness, man. We're gonna go ahead and get started on these chicken wings, man. I see one that I want to do some justice with. Oh man, we're gonna try another one just so we can validate our old man. Oh man, straight groceries. Y'all already know I'm the Wayne King. Ain't nothing else left for me to say. But guys, add this one to your list of AWE recipes to do. So until then, guys, remember, y'all already know who I am. This is All Wings Everything, and remember, him not a chef, him just cook a lot, and I'm out. Peace.